Hello. In our previous videos, we have discussed the basic draw commands and the basic modify commands in AutoCAD. So in this video, we are going to discuss the view controls of the software. So we have two uh, two techniques in controlling the views of our AutoCAD platform. We have one pan. So pan is just moving your workspace in the AutoCAD platform. Okay, so to do that, you just have to type pan. And then as you can see, our cursor changed into hand shaped. Okay, so now we are in pan mode. So meaning to say by using our mouse, uh, we can drag and change places of our drawing workspace. That is the use of pan. Okay, so next uh, view control is zoom. Okay, so we have different options in using zoom. We have all, center, dynamic, extents, previews, scale, window, and object. Okay, so let's go to zoom, to the first option of zoom, which is all. You just have to type all. Then as you can see, in you can view all of the object in your drawing area by using zoom all. Okay, another option in zoom is type zoom, hit enter, and then center. Okay, so in this case, you have to specify your center point of your drawing where you want to view the zoom of the center of the object here. Okay, so let's say I want to zoom here, the center of this object. And there you go. Okay, so what I have done is zoom and then center, and then I'm gonna choose, or I will create a window wherein I want to zoom the center of the object. Say I want to uh, zoom this object, and then as you can see, I created a window of my selected object, and then it focus on that selected object. Okay, another type of zoom is dynamic. Okay, so as you can see, guys, we have here the software provided us a pre-window wherein you can choose where you want to zoom your drawing in the area of the window. So let's say I want to zoom the area here. Click enter, and then you can adjust the window. You can adjust the size of the window in your desired desired size. Okay, so if the size of the window is okay, you can now proceed by zooming the object. Okay, let's do that again. Type zoom, dynamic. A window will appear wherein you can adjust the size of the window or the zoom window, and then if the size of the window is okay, then hit the object where you want to zoom with and hit enter. Okay, so that's how you zoom your drawing in AutoCAD. Okay, so we also have another option wherein we use zoom extents. So what is the meaning of that? So first type zoom and then type extent. And as you can see, all of the all of the lines or object in your drawing is viewed in this window or in this zoom type. It is zoom extent. It acts like zoom all. So I don't know what is the difference of the two. All I know is that they do the same thing. They show all of the object in your drawing area. Okay, so another type of zoom is previews. Okay, so if you have observed my previous version before I do the zoom extent is this zoom. So the function of the zoom previews is to uh, repeat your previous zoom that you have done after one another. So let's say for example, I'm gonna zoom extend. So remember that this is my present view right now. So I'm gonna zoom extend, and then all of the objects were shown. And then observe what happened when I do zoom previews. Okay, so if you have observed of what happened here is that before I zoom extend all of the drawings, this is my previous view. Okay, so by using zoom previews, you are just repeating your previous event or your previous work in this AutoCAD drawing. Okay, so let's try the other function, zoom scale. Choose your reference point or base point, and then select the object that you want to zoom. Okay, so I mean the scale or the percentage of zoom that you want to do in zoom function. Let's do that again. Zoom scale. Select this object. Space second point. Okay, so it just zoom. After selecting an object from from first point to second point, the zoom percentage went to its maximum percentage of zoom. Okay, so that's how you do zoom scale. Next is zoom window. So how does it work? Okay, so from the word itself, zoom window, you just have to create a window wherein you want your object to be zoomed with. So let's say I want to zoom this object. So I'm just gonna create a window uh, in this object, and then there you go. After creating a window of my selection as my zoom option, so the selected objects were zoomed. Okay, let's do that again. Zoom, window, window, okay. Zoom window, and then create a window in the object that you want to zoom with. Say I want to zoom these objects, and then there you have it. You can view the object at the same time at the same percentage of zoom. And the last option in zoom is zoom object. Okay, it means that you have to select the object that you want to take a closer look. So let's say I want to look at this closely. I'm gonna select the object and then hit enter. Okay, so you can see I can now view the selected object closely. Let's do that again. Zoom, I mean zoom, and then object, hit the object that you want to zoom with, hit enter, and then you have it. You can take a closer look at the object that you have selected in zoom object. Well, you can use your scroll button in zooming your drawing. You just have to scroll up or to increase the zoom, or scroll down to decrease the zoom percentage. It's just that there are times that zoom options are way better than just using your scroll scroll button. Okay, so I think that's it for this video. I hope you have learned something from this, and see you on our next video.